Qualification match number 50. In 145, takes a shot at the high tower goal for Blue Lights, unfortunately missed. Their line partner is driving over the stick to Marble Wall. And we now go into the teleoperated period. The Falcons, 1493, quickly scoop up a hole in front of Red Light. Blue Warrior to the challenge. Michael shot and just missed. Hopefully they can quickly after the rebound and take another shot. Partner is 663. And they will stay under the knee. The Red Lions has successfully damaged 2 defenses in the Blue Lions' outdoors. 2 more like that, and they'll be ranking points in their favor if they can do it before the end of this match. $14.93 is working hard to grab a goal for the Red Lions. 52-40, moves into action, speeding across those defenses, taking down the road and the rough terrain. The Red Lions have successfully breached the Blue Lions' defenses. And over on the Blue Lions' side, the Ramparts and the Lone Bar are damaged. They're fully damaged, which leaves the rock wall, the south courts, and the porch to be taken down. We're in the last 30 seconds of the match. The Red Tower is down by 1 sprint point to 7. The Blue Tower is down to 3 and now 2 thanks to a low score by 14.93. 10 seconds left to go in this match. 58-79 and 145 have challenged the tower. And all 3 Red Lions robots can be on